Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you will like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I would really appreciate it. Today we're doing a Get Ready With Me. I just put on, I forgot, and I put on the Thorn Oil from Ritual de Fille as my primer. It smells amazing, and it does fantastic things to my skin. I am now going to go into concealer with a beautiful Skin Radiant Concealer from Charlotte Tilbury in number 4 Fair. How are you? What are you doing? There's so many fall festivals happening in my town. I live in a city, but you know, there's like so many fall festivals this weekend. I don't know that we're going to go to any of them, but they're there, which is cool. I mean, I would love to have a fresh corn dog. I don't need a fresh corn dog, but I would love to have a fresh corn dog. You know what I'm saying? There's something magical about a corn dog. Cornbread and dog together. Deep fry it up. Good. So I'm just carving out my eyebrows and covering up my dark circles and my redness on my eyelids. Oh, it's been a very busy day. I went to the grocery store, then I went to Sam's, then I got my COVID booster shot, and then I got my flu shot, and I got things at Sam's, and then I came home. And then I rested for a bit, and then I went to lunch with a friend, and then we went to Trader Joe's. Life is so glamorous. I'm going to use today number 7 Protect and Perfect Advanced All-in-One Foundation. I love this stuff, and this is in Warm Ivory. They have Warm Ivory and Cool Ivory, and I use them interchangeably, and there's no neutral ivory, because if there was a neutral one, then that's what I would use. But I can use either one because I'm not very cool. I'm not very warm. I got a little warmth. But this foundation is fantastic. It makes me want to jump around. It's so lightweight. It doesn't leave like heaviness on your skin. It's very natural, and I've been using it for about 2 years. My good old friend Jeannie, who now lives in Oklahoma City, she turned me on to it. She used to have a channel, and I haven't talked to her in a while, but I should, because I miss her. But you know, people move and grow apart, and you know, things change. You never know what's going on with other people until you ask them. And this month is October, and it's not just Halloween. It is Rocktober, where you can rock and roll all night and party every day. And I've been rocking and rolling. I did a fantastic job at karaoke the other night. I did a couple songs well, and I was terrible on one song. I did Our Lips Are Sealed by the Go-Go's. Terrible. It was embarrassing. I couldn't hear myself, and I was just singing all over the place. And Belinda Carlisle, the lead singer for the Go-Go's, is very hard to imitate her singing style because her voice is so clear and kind of high. It's very nice. That was Tatcha Translucent Powder. And now I need to tell you that we're also featuring the Empowered palette from Huda Beauty. Probably should have said that at the beginning of the video. And it's tricky to open it. and it is a cream and powder formula, and I have swatched a lot of the colors for you. I'm not really going to get into using the cream formula very much because I think that cream and powder don't always go together. But let's see the swatches. 3, 2, 1, bam! There's another one. It's very beautiful. It's a beautiful palette. I accidentally swatched this color twice because I love it so much because it's so sparkly and glittery and gold. But it's beautiful. It's very pigmented. And I can't wait to put it on my eyeballs. But before we get there, it's time to put the contour. What I use for contour is bronzer. And it is Sun-Kissed Bronze from Cover FX. It's a few years old. It's been out for a while, but I just love it. And it's nice and light. And it's not orangey at all. It's cool. Once again, it's cool. And it really does the job for me without making my face look too dark and weird. And I just put it where the sun should shine on my face. The sun should shine right here. And, well, that's a shadow. I was trying to carve out my chin. So I have just one chin. And then, because this palette is so beautiful, I'm going to use my Pat McGrath Divine Blush and Glow Trio Galactic Sun, and I'm going to use Divine Orchid, the center color, for my blush. And then I'm going to use the highlight from here as well, which is Dynamite. Dynamite! You guys remember that? That's really old. I'm dating myself. If I don't date me, who will? Oh my Lord. I'm a married woman. I'm not dating nobody. Forgot to do my eyebrows. That would be nice to do my eyebrows. They're looking like empty haystacks or something. And this is the Delilah Brow Groom Double-Ended Eyebrow Groomer in Sable. And it is a really nice pencil. I got it in a box, and the color is really good because I try to keep it kind of natural looking. Trying to keep my brow a little smaller today, and this brow pencil just goes on like butter. Just goes on so easy. And tomorrow I'm having a friend of mine who's a professional cleaner. She's going to come and deep clean our bathroom and our kitchen, which I know that sounds fancy, but it really needs to happen. And I've got disabilities, so I can't get in there and clean like I want to. I forgot to put the highlighter on. Let's go back and do that. It's so pretty. Ooh, so pretty. So she's going to help us out, and I'm really excited about that because, you know, things get funky. You know, I can do some cursory things and keep the toilet clean and wipe the tub down and stuff, but I can't like get in there and get it, you know. So we've only had someone help us clean a couple times in the past, so it's going to be kind of a new thing. It's a newish kind of sensation for us. I'm going to go into Get It. Oh my God, that's like orange. Wow. That's nice and bright. I'll blend it out. It's very pigmented. I barely put that in there. Get it. Get it, girl. Don't get it. It doesn't go with this. I'm wearing something else. This is a fancy pajama hoodie that I love. I just got from Torrid's clearance section. Torrid has some really amazing clearance items, and I would highly recommend checking that out. Now I'm gonna go into Rebel. And build in that crease. It looks really pretty so far. That looks nice together. It looks so nice together. It should be a very lovely job, I think. These beautiful colors. They're so pretty. So pretty. I'm gonna go into Courageous. And blend that on, buff that out on the lid, and buff it out in the corner. It's really pretty. It's much darker than it looks like in the pan. That's very smoky. And then I'm going to take Limitless with my finger, this beautiful gold, and blend that in my corner and blend it into the Courageous. Yeah, I'm gonna be wearing like an olive color hoodie. And this will look very nice. This smoky eye. This is beautiful. The Empowered palette is gorgeous. Now I'm going to take eyeliner. Not that one. But this one, the Il Makiage liquid eyeliner in Black Card. Waterproof liquid eyeliner. I'm going to, that was my cat jumping onto the desk and onto the floor. That was Louie, one of the four. I'm going to give it a little baby wing. This left eye always goes so much faster. Oh, it looks so nice and smoky. Very fall, very fall. And I'm going to use the Stila Huge Mascara. Which is a very nice mascara. People sleep on Stila all the time, but they have a really great eyeliner. They have good mascara. Very nice. And this tube is like kind of old, but it's still kicking. I mean, you're supposed to retire mascaras after 3 months, but who really does that? Not anyone I know. So that is that. Now I have to come up with something for my lip. Something light, because the eyes are so dark. I think I will use Christmas Cookie from Jeffree Star. No, that's not Christmas Cookie. That's Family Jewels. It's a little dark. No, it's not. It's all right. It's getting a little old though. But that looks really nice with this. And this is it. This is my look, my tutorial. A little flip, a little flippity dip. Thanks for being with me. If you made it to the end, put your favorite emoji and I will appreciate it very much. And don't forget, subscribe, because I've got that big giveaway coming up soon and we're only 18 away from reaching the goal of 1,700 subscribers. So have a great day or day of your choice and we'll see you real soon. Bye.